I'm Michael Jones. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of AWH. AWH is one of the longest serving members of the wool industry. We've been around for 174 years. A lot of people don't know who we are, and today's Woolex Summit is part of our coming out, I suppose. We're one of the biggest companies that people have never heard of. We're the largest wool handling company in the world. We handle over 1 million bales of wool nationally every year, and we're also the largest cotton handler in the world. We're not 100% sure, but we think we're also the largest warehousing company in this country, with around 1 million square metres of warehouse operating in all states of Australia. Today's Wool Summit is about us providing industry leadership and changing our business and enlisting the support of the rest of the wool industry in implementing innovation and change for a positive commercial impact across the whole supply chain of wool. So we've conducted an in-house and industry-wide study over a couple of months where we've looked at every element of the industry, from the shearing shed all the way through to the wool mills in China. Out of that study, we've come up with an action plan, firstly in a local sense, where we'll be looking at utilising the current systems and assets that we have, but implementing and overlaying with that a massive innovation and technology process whereby we revolutionise the wool supply chain, centred on the electronic tracking of every bale in the supply chain, and there are over 2 billion of those each year. That's 2 million of those each year. We're looking to use the electronic identification of the wool and apply technologies such as applications, desktop functioning and IT systems to be able to more efficiently move the wool, handle the wool, and shortcut a lot of the processes that have been around in this industry for over 100 years. The next thing that we will be doing is, from that efficiencies, look at continuing through our sales centres, and just about every bale in Australia that is sold through auction is sold through an AWH sales centre in either Sydney, Melbourne or in Perth, and moving beyond there and taking the wool on behalf of the wool buyers and exporters all the way to China, using the data, the assets and the physical skills and logistics skills that we have of creating a new supply line and a completely new paradigm in the way that wool is moved out of the Australian industry and into the Chinese market, a market which accounts for over 85% of the wool from a destination perspective of Australia.